A very good evening and welcome back to the series Quantum Numbers on Your Fingertips. So in this video, we'll be talking about questions based on what we have learned in the previous 3 videos. In order to learn the concept of quantum numbers and quantum model of the atom, you can refer to this playlist of the previous videos where you will get the knowledge, so you can try these questions then. Okay, for those who have understood the concept, let's begin with the questions. The first question is, which of the following orbitals exist? Now this, as I told you in my previous video only, for an orbital to exist, the n value has to be greater than L value. Then only the orbital will exist. So let us compare. So first one is 4g. 4g में n value is 4 and g means f3 था तो g कितना हो जाएगा L value में 4. n is equal to L, that means this will not exist because n has to be greater than L. Next में आते हैं 4f. 4f में n is equal to 4 और f के लिए L value कितनी थी? 3 थी. This you should learn. So n is greater than L, hence 4f will exist. 3d. 3 में n value is equal to 3 और d के लिए L value थी 2. n is greater than L, 3d will exist. 1s. s की L value 0 थी, n value हमारी 1 है, 1s will exist. 2d. n value is 2. The number which we write is the n value. And what is L value for d subshell? Is also 2. L is equal to n, not exist. 3p. n is equal to 3. And what is L for p? Is 1. n is greater than L, this will exist. Okay, is the first question. Moving on to the next question. Calculate the orbital and electron number for the following subshell 4p. Okay, subshell. अब 4p के लिए we have to calculate the orbital and electron number. Okay. Now for calculating the orbitals first, we know from what is given here 4p. 4p का मतलब है n is equal to 4 principal quantum number and L for p was 1. L value, azimuthal quantum number for p subshell is 1. If L is 1, what is the ml orbit? ml is a magnetic quantum number which gives us the orbitals number. So L is how much? Minus L to L. ml is minus L to L, which is how much? Minus 1, 0 and 1. So that means there are 3 orbitals possible. Electron means 2 into orbital. One orbital gets 2 electrons. So 2 into 3. That means you have 6 electrons in this particular subshell. This is method 1. Okay. Now, okay, fine. This is a subshell. So this is the only method you can use. I was thinking about a shell. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. So we are given the n value. We can do the n value as well. We have to learn the L value from which we get the ml value, which is the number of orbitals. ये आपको orbitals दे देगा. और इससे हम 2 से multiply करें तो we'll get the electrons because one orbital can only accommodate 2 electrons according to the Pauli's exclusion principle, which I'll take up later in this series only. Moving on to question number 3. Which of the following orbital has higher energy? Okay, fine. So you can understand the question number 3 now. Which of the following has higher energy and which of the following are degenerate? Okay. Now what we have understood is, for energy, this I have done in my previous videos, for energy, more is the n plus L value, more is the energy. And if n plus L value is same, more is the n value, more is the energy. ये हमको देखना है. Degenerate के लिए energy same होनी चाहिए. That we have to calculate the energy and compare. Okay. So let us understand now. The first case is 2s. 2s. Okay. 2s में your n value is 2, L value is for s is 0. n plus L कितना आ गया? 2. अब 2p, we have to compare these. Okay, these are pairs. For 2p, n is equal to 2. L is for p is equal to 1. So what is n plus L? Is 3. So n plus L किसका ज़्यादा है? 2p का ज़्यादा है. So this has higher energy. Okay. अगर n plus L same हो तो हमें n value देखनी है किसकी ज़्यादा है. Next one. 3s and 4d. 3s में n is equal to 3. And what is L? s के लिए L कितना होता है? 0. So L is 0. So n plus L is your 3. Coming to 4d now. Your n is 4 and for d your s value is, L value is how much? 2. L is 2. So n plus L is 4 plus 2, which is 6, and which is clearly a lot greater than the 3s. Okay. Next one is 4s and 3d. अब 4s में n वैल्यू 4 है, l वैल्यू for s is 0. So 4 plus 0 is your 4 is the n plus l. 3d की बात करें, 3d has n value as 3 and d has value of l as also 2. So n plus l is equal to 5. So 4s से 3d बड़ा है. ओके 3d की एनर्जी ज़्यादा है 4s से. दो 4s हमें 4 से बड़ा लग रहा है, बट 3d की एनर्जी इज मोर. This is a very important concept. It will be used in writing the electronic configuration of elements, which I'll be coming soon with my new videos. Okay. 2s and 1s. 2s में n is 2, s में l is 0. So your n plus l value is equal to 2. और 1s में n is 1, l for s is 0. So n plus l is 1. So which is greater? Of course 2s is greater. Okay. Now in any of them have we had same energies? No. So none of them are degenerate. Degenerate के लिए same energy होनी चाहिए, same energy, और यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. So none are degenerate. Okay. This was the second part of the question. Moving on to question number 4. Write the values of all quantum numbers for 2s2 electronic configuration. ओके हमको दिया है 2s2 एक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दिया है. इससे हमको पता चल जाता है फर्स्ट थिंग, द n वैल्यू इज 2 एंड द l वैल्यू इज 0. दिस वी नो. 2s2 का मतलब है n वैल्यू इज 2 एंड l वैल्यू 0, बिकॉज s के लिए l वैल्यू इज 0. ml इज 2l plus 1, दैट मीन्स 2 into 0 plus 1, which is 1. So ml value is 1. Okay. 2n plus 1 is 1. That means we have 1 ml. एक orbital है, 1 orbital. And if you have to calculate the electrons now, electrons will be 2 into 1, which is 2. But this is not the question. हमें electron नहीं पूछे, हमें सारे quantum number पूछे. We have answered 3 quantum numbers, but we have to write the spin as well. I'm sorry. Spin, it can be have only 2 values, plus half or minus half. This is your ms. But why is number of electrons important here? Because spin कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दोनों की स्पिन हमें देखनी पड़ेगी. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, मतलब प्लस हाफ और माइनस हाफ will be the values of ms. Okay, that was your question. Moving on to the next one. Describe the orbital with n is to 2 and l is to 1. मतलब अब हमें ऑर्बिटल लिखना है. सिंपल है, n 2 है तो सबसे पहले 2 लिख दो. ओके सॉरी, ये ऑर्बिटल नहीं होगा, ये सब शेल होगा. ओके, दिस इज द सब शेल. n 2 है मीन्स 2 पहले लिख दो. l1, l1 किसके लिए होता है? p के लिए. सो 2p सब शेल. द क्वेश्चन विल हैव सब शेल, इट वाज राइटिंग मिस्टेक. नेक्स्ट वन. n is 4, l is 0. n 4 मतलब 4 डायरेक्ट लिख दो. l 0 का मतलब 0s के लिए होता है, 4s. ओके, ये उल्टा क्वेश्चन था. नेक्स्ट वन नाउ. Which shell would have the first G subshell? मतलब किस G subshell के लिए हमें कौन सा क्वांटम नंबर चाहिए? शेल का मतलब है प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n वैल्यू, और सबशेल का मतलब है l वैल्यू. ओके, अब अगर हम सीरीज में देखें f was 3 इन केस ऑफ l वैल्यू, सो G की l वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 4. अगर आप सीरीज कंपेयर करोगे तो G की l वैल्यू 4 आ जाएगी. We know for an orbital to exist, n has to be greater than l for orbital to exist. ये वैल्यू तो होनी चाहिए. So the first value of n which can be greater than 4, n is always a whole number, is 5. So the fifth shell can have the first G subshell. Clear? I hope that this is clear. Why fifth shell? Because G subshell G की वैल्यू l में 4 है, और सबशेल को एग्जिस्ट करने के लिए n has to be greater than l. Okay, so n minimum value of l which is greater than l in case of whole numbers is your 5. So the fifth shell will have the first G subshell. All the quantum numbers are whole numbers. L, m, l. Okay, sorry, l and m and ml are always integers. Okay, not whole numbers. Write the maximum number of electron. Next question. In d and f orbitals with same spin. Okay, सबसे पहले ये तो हमको आता है कि d and f में d में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होते हैं? How many? D सबशेल में 5 ऑर्बिटल होते हैं. D has 5 orbitals because L value for D So for D, L value is your 3. So ml value will be 2 into 3 plus 1. Okay. Sorry, 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5. So 5 orbitals are there. That means what are the number of electrons? 5 into 2, 10 electrons are there. But I have another case, same spin. इलेक्ट्रॉन दो स्पिन के होते हैं, दोनों इक्वल होते हैं, प्लस हाफ माइनस हाफ. अगर 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो सेम स्पिन के कितने होंगे? 5. ओके, 5. Why 5? Because if I have 10 electrons, both of 5 and 5 equally will have opposite spin. So with the same spin, I'll have 5. 5 will be of the opposite spin. F की बात करते हैं. F में L value is 3. This you have to learn. The L values for S, P, D, F. Okay. L value is 3. So your ml, the number of orbitals is ml, which is 2 into L plus 1, which is 7. That means electrons is 7 into 2, 2 in 1 orbital, that is 14. 14 है तो 14 by 2, 7 with same spin होंगे. 7 electrons will be with same spin अगर 14 total है तो. Alright, now next one is list the L and M values for the given N value. We have been given N values, now we have to list the L and M value. Okay. Now this one part I'll be doing for N is equal to 2, N is equal to 1 is easy and that will be your homework. So let's talk about N is equal to 2. If N is 2, L क्या values दे सकता है? How many values can L take? 0, 1. दो value ले सकता है. Okay, 0 और 1 ले सकता है. 0 to N minus 1. So ML कितने values दे सकते हैं? L के दो values हैं, 2 values are possible. So ML के कितनी values possible होंगी? 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5 orbitals are possible. Okay. L की values इतनी होंगी. N is equal to 2 है, तो L की value will be this, और उससे we can get the value of N. Okay. Just a second. N is 2. So yeah. So as I told you, correct. This is correct only, no? So 5 orbitals are possible. अब अगर हम इन पाँचों की वैल्यू लिखें तो हम L इक्वल टू 0 में ml की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? What will be the value of ml for L equal to 0? 0 रहेगी. और अगर L 1 है तो ml कितनी हो जाएगी? माइनस L टू L माइनस 1 0 1. ओके, तो ये हमारे ऑर्बिटल की वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू दिस, बिकॉज हमें पूरा लिखने के लिए बोला, आई विल नॉट राइट द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स, वी हैव टू राइट द फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ऑर्बिटल्स. क्लियर? नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द फाइनल फ्यू क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई हैव ऑन दिस. व्हाट इज द ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम फॉर 2s and 3p? अब नाम से क्वेश्चन खतरनाक है, काम से नहीं. ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम मीन्स L, बिकॉज एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज फॉर एजीम्यूथल क्वांटम नंबर. L ही होता है इसका दूसरा नाम. ओके, अब 2s के लिए L निकालना है. 2s में हमें सिर्फ s को देखना है. s की L वैल्यू कितनी है? 0. ओके, द वैल्यू ऑफ s इज 0 बिकॉज ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज योर वैल्यू ऑफ L. 3p में हमें देखना है p की L वैल्यू इज हाउ मच? 1. तो ये हमारा आंसर है. क्लियर हुआ? नेक्स्ट, कंप्यूट द नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स फॉर M शेल. ओके फाइन, M शेल है. अब M शेल का मतलब KLM अगर हम देखें 1 2 3, सो प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर द N वैल्यू इज 3. अब नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स मीन्स L, सबशेल का मतलब होता है L. So L value for 3 is 0 1 2. That means how many subshells are there? 3 subshells. There are 3 subshells are possible. Okay, number of subshells ही पूछा है. Okay, और 3 subshells हुए मतलब वो 3s होंगे, 3p और 3s 3p और 3d होंगे. समझ आ गया? Next one, let's move to the next one now. Is 2d orbital possible? Again, possible मतलब we have to find n greater than L. 2d में n value is 2, L value for 3, d is 3. So is 2d possible? L बड़ा आ गया, not possible. Next part is what is the lowest d orbital possible? Again, for possible I have to see the lowest value of n which is greater than L. ये वैल्यू देखनी है. L value is 2. In case of D, L value in D is 2. Okay, so L value is 2, so minimum value for n greater than 2 is 3 is greater than 2. So hence the third shell will have the first D. Third shell, because 3 is the lowest integer value which is greater than 2. So third shell ही हमें चाहिए for the first d orbital to be possible. Next, state the quantum numbers are possible or not. हमें quantum number की list दे दी गई है, हमें देखना है कि possible है या नहीं. Okay, let's see. n is 0, L 0, M 0, S plus half. Is it possible? नहीं हो सकता ना. n has to be greater than 0. n has to be 1. The value of n has to be 1. This is the minimum value of n. इसी से it's not possible. This first thing only disregards this possibility. Why? Because n is the shell. अगर shell ही नहीं है, there is the atom there. Atom has to have shell for having subshells and orbitals. So n has to be 1. Okay. Next one. n is 2, L is 2. यहीं पे मिल गया. Don't have to check further. It's not possible. Because what am I given? n is equal to L in this case, or n is equal to L is not possible, because for possible I need n is greater than L. This is n is equal to L, so it is not possible. Okay, these type of questions are important for competitive use as well. The final question is question number 13. Does 2f orbital of hydrogen have higher energy than 2s orbital of sodium? Why? Okay, now 2f orbital है हाइड्रोजन और सोडियम में, ये भी f होना चाहिए. Okay, of sodium. Now there is one rule when we were determining the energy of orbitals. We have learned that energy for the same orbital is inversely proportional to the atomic number. So energy is inversely proportional to the atomic number for same orbital. यानी orbital यहाँ पे same है, 2f यहाँ पे है, 2f is here also. The orbital is same. That means the atomic number जिसका ज़्यादा होगा same orbital के लिए, the energy will be lower in that only. Okay. Atomic number of sodium, the Z of sodium is 11, Z of hydrogen is 1. Okay, so this is much greater than hydrogen. So hence this hydrogen's energy for 2f is higher. Okay, because for the same orbital the energy is inversely proportional to atomic number. Okay, so hydrogen having less atomic number than sodium, for the same 2f orbital will have higher energy than sodium. Okay. For this, if you are not clear, refer to my video on energy of orbitals and the energy rule, which I have on this playlist of quantum numbers on your fingertips. Okay, so I hope these questions have made you a bit familiar with the concept, a bit more familiar I would say with the concept. There are multiple more questions like this which you can practice a lot. Okay, they are very interesting. If you want any question to be discussed in particular, do write in the comment section. Okay. And till then, stay tuned for my upcoming videos on quantum numbers and electronic configurations. So let's move on with studies and do well. Thank you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.